Average is the term that some international forecasters are using to describe predictions for this year's Atlantic hurricane season. This according to the National Oceanic Atmospheric Administration, or the NOAA. According to the NOAA, the 2009 outlook is showing global weather patterns which are providing a greater level of uncertainty than in previous years. The NOAA predicts that there is a 70% chance of having 9 to 14 named storms, of which 4 to 7 could become hurricanes. 1 to 3 of those hurricanes are expected to increase to a Category 3, 4, or 5. Internationally accredited forecasters group Tropical Meteorology Project, however, has a conflicting outlook for this year's seasonal activity. Forecasters there are predicting 12 named storms, 6 of which are expected to become hurricanes with a probability of 1 Category 3 through 5 storm. The Meteorology Project is forecasting that at least one of the 6 expected hurricanes will make landfall on the entire U.S. coastline, the U.S. East Coast including the Florida Peninsula, the Gulf Coast from the Florida Panhandle westward, and an average hurricane on a landmass in the Caribbean. Compared to last year's hurricane season, the 2009 outlook is projecting less activity. In September of last year, major storms swept across more than 3 countries in the Caribbean, leaving behind a trail of destruction. The Turks and Caicos Islands were among those faced with the aftermath of Hurricanes Ike and Hannah, with 4 out of every 5 homes in the southern island severely damaged, but luckily there were no casualties. Over 2 million people were displaced by the storms in neighboring countries Cuba and Haiti, and countless killed in landslides and severe flooding. The first storm for 2009, according to the NOAA, will hold the title Anna, followed by Bill, Claudette, Danny, and Erica. And as with any hurricane season, preparedness is essential. The Turks and Caicos Disaster Management Team came under immense pressure last year for falling short in a number of areas such as communications. Tune in tomorrow night to find out their new strategy for disaster preparedness. For WIV4 News, I'm Nikara John.